In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to start faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using easy and simple website. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can make an easy faceless YouTube videos that get millions of views and will make you a lot of money. Okay, and I already have a faceless YouTube channel, as you can see, and in just one single day this channel has made $768 just in one single day. That's really a lot of money. You can start your own faceless YouTube channel as beginner, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So what you need to do is what the niche that I will show you guys that you can start with as a beginner is relaxing YouTube videos. You can make relaxing YouTube videos and make a lot of money. Okay, this is an example of relaxing faceless YouTube channel that is making a lot of money. Why? Because if you click over here, let me show you how many views this channel is getting. You can see over here it's close to 9 million views. It's so close to 9 million views per month. Okay, just uploading 2 videos this month. Okay, as you can see over here, in the last 13 days this channel got close to 9 million views. Okay, so, and this channel is uploading easy and simple videos about just relaxing and easy relaxing YouTube videos, faceless YouTube videos. They don't show their face or using their voice. They are just making easy videos and adding relaxing background music, and that's it. So look at this one. It's close to 2 million views in just 3 weeks. Okay, look at this one and this one over here, Italy. Okay, let's make, for example, a video like this one. So to make a video like this one, what you need to do is you just need to go to Canva. We'll just use Canva, easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, as you can see over here. So click on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click what you will do next. Click on elements, click over here on the search and search for Italy. Okay, like this. If you want to make videos about Italy, click over here on videos. People love watching those videos. And what you will do is you will choose a video. So for example, let's choose this one. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set video as background. Okay, like this. Click on add page, scroll down. So just scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here. So let me find a good video. I'm gonna add this one over here. Click on 3 points, set video as background. Click on the next page, add page, add page. Next, click on the next page, scroll down and choose videos about Italy. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one over here, like this. Set video as background. Click on the next page, scroll down, add this one over here, and add page, and make sure to make your video long. Okay, we will add this one over here, add page, scroll down. Okay, you will find a lot of videos here, okay, that you can use. So let me see, let's use this one over here, like this. Add page, scroll down, we will add this one over here, and here you go. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go to the first page, click between those 2 pages, click on add transition. Okay, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. Okay, I'm gonna choose just this one, simple, this one, match and move, make it to 0.3. click over here on apply between all page, and here you go. So what you need to do now is you need to add relaxing background music. How we can find a relaxing background music that you can use for free without getting any copyright issue on YouTube. Okay, what you will do is you just need to go to YouTube. Okay, so let me show you. Go to YouTube, search for this YouTube channel. Search for this channel, breaking copyright reality free music. Okay, search for this YouTube channel. This channel upload relaxing and calm and any background music that you want for free. You can use those background music for free. Okay, so as you can see over here, so what you will do, they are breaking copyright. You can use those background music for free. Like I said, click on playlist. Okay, and you should find a lot of videos here, relaxing background music. This is relax, calm. I'm gonna click, for example, on this one, view. Okay, let's see, view full playlist. You need to download this background music to your laptop. Okay, so for example, I like to use this one. Click over here, 3 points, click on share, click on copy, then go to YouTube, go to Google, search for save from. Okay, search for this website, save from. You can use this website to download any background music you want. Just put the link of the background music video that you want to download over here. Okay, and let me show you how you can do it. Then click over here, click on audio, click on download. This background music will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do next is you need to go back to Canva, click on upload, click on upload file, and upload your background music from here. Okay, from your laptop. Then you should find your background music here on audio. Click over here, click on the first page again, click on your background music. Your background music will be over here, and here you go. You just created a relaxing faceless YouTube video in few minutes. So let's check this video, guys, and let me know your opinion. Let's check. And as you can see, guys, we just made faceless YouTube video just by using Canva, and that's easy and simple. Canva, you can find relaxing music videos on YouTube. Download the relaxing YouTube, download the music relaxing videos, and you need to come to Canva and make the videos easy and simple. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. You need to keep uploading more videos. This is big faceless relaxing YouTube channel example for you. As you can see, it's making, because it's working. Those videos are getting a lot of views. Look at this one, it's close to 2 million views. It's working. This niche is working. Okay, so if you want to start, you can give it a try. You don't need to invest any money. You can start just by investing your time and take action. And you need to stay consistent if you want to succeed on YouTube. Okay, you need to upload consistency videos every day as beginner if you want to succeed fast and start making a lot of money from YouTube. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.